This is the sum under 1, number 10, exercise 6A. Okay. Here, first of all, we have to remove the bracket. Okay, here is positive sign. That's why sign will not be changed inside the bracket. 3 by 2 x cube minus 1 by 4 x square plus 5 by 3 plus minus. I told that. I told that for this addition. For this addition sign, this will be minus sign. Okay, sign will not be changed. Here also sign will not be changed. Here will be minus sign, minus x square plus 3 by 8x minus 8 by 15. Then we have to jot down the same variable terms. That means this one, x cube. With x cube, which terms are there? That terms we have to first find out, then write down it together. X cube, 3 by 2 x cube. Then this one. I am giving here underline because I can understand. After that, when writing finished will be there, then I can understand which one I have written and which are left. That's why I am giving here underline. Then x cube term. No x cube term is there. Minus 1 by 4 x square. Then this one plus 3 by 5 x square. Then this one minus x square. Okay, then that is completed. Then we'll come to next x term part. Minus x, and here is plus 3 by 8 x. Then constant term plus 5 by 3. Here is any left? Yes, any terms is left? Yes, plus 1 by 5 minus 8 by 15. Now, at last, you will count how many terms you have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 10 terms or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, then that is correct. Correctly, I have written all the terms. Then you will start your calculations. First of all, this one, 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 4. 4 will be LCM, then 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, x cube. X cube you can write outside. 6 minus 5, and in outside you can write this x cube. Then here, plus sign I will write here, because minus sign I will write with 1. Okay. Here I will take LCM, 5 4s are 20, then 4 5s are 20, then minus 5. This minus sign I have written in the inside the bracket. That's why I have written here plus sign. Okay. Next 5 4s are 20, then 4 3s are 12. Then here is 1. Nothing is given. That means 1 coefficient. Then minus 20 x square. Then here also plus sign. You are listening my voice, I think. What I will do? What? Nothing to do. For that is network problem. Keep quiet. That is network problem. Now what I will do? plus, then this will be 15, LCM 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, plus 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, minus 8. Then just finish the calculation. That will be the answer. 1 by 4 x cube, then plus. Here is 12 only, positive sign. Then 20 and 5, 25. Then from 25, this 12 will be subtracted. That means negative sign will be there. 13 by 20 x square plus, here also 8 is larger, that's why minus sign will be here. 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 x. Then here 25 plus 3, that means 28. 28 minus 8, that means 20 by 15. So that's all. Next you will remove the bracket. 1 by 4 x cube minus 13 by 20 x square minus 5 by 8 x plus 20 by 15. This is the sum giving that 6 number 4. This simplification is given there from exercise 6a. Okay, first of all, here what is the work? First we have to remove the bracket and change the sign. See here, negative sign is there, that's why all the signs will be changed inside the bracket, right? Here also negative sign, that's why all the signs will be changed. Opposite sign will be there. If suppose here minus sign, here is minus, that means here will be plus. Minus minus plus will be. So first the work is we have to remove the bracket. 1 by 3 y square. Better you will write all the terms in one line. 4 by 7 into y plus 5, then minus 2 by 7 y, then minus minus plus 2 by 3 y square, then minus plus minus 2. Here is minus, nothing is given before 1 by 7, that means addition sign is there, that's why minus plus minus 1 by 7 y, minus minus plus 3, then minus plus minus 2 y square. Then same process, same variable terms we have to jot down, that means 1 by 3 y square, this one, then y square term, where is this one, plus 2 by 3 y square, then last one minus 2 y square, and minus 2 y square. Okay, then y term minus 4 by 7 y, then this one minus 2 by 7 y, then this one minus 1 by 7 y. Okay, completed. Then the constant term plus 5, then minus 2, then plus 3. Okay, completed. I told that you will count the terms, every terms you have written or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then start doing the calculation. Here is 3 is denominator, that's why 3 will be, then 1 plus 2, and here is 2 3 is 6 y square, minus, I will write here plus, because inside the bracket I will write minus, that's why here all the denominators are 7, that's why minus 4, then minus 2, minus 1, outside the bracket y will be, then here 5 plus 3, that means 8, minus 2, that means 6, plus 6. Okay, then here is 2 plus 1, that means 3, minus 6, that means minus 3 by 3 y square, then plus sign, here 4 plus 2 plus 1, that means minus 7 by 7 y, plus 6. Then we can cut it. That means minus y square. Then this one will be plus minus minus y, then plus 6. Therefore, answer you have to write. The required answer is, the solution is okay. This is number 2, 4. Exercise 6 says subtract a square plus b square minus 2ab from a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here, which one term is greater? At first we have to think. Suppose I will give here subtract 2 from 10. Which term is greater? Which term will sit in the first position? Obviously 10. So we have to write like this, 10 minus 2. Okay, so this term will sit in the first position. That means from which term we have to subtract? From 10. Here also same things. From this term we have to subtract. That means this will sit in the first position. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab. From here you can write minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the first line of the solution. Okay. Now next work is we have to remove the bracket. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then for this minus, all the signs will be changed here. Before a square there is no sign, that means addition sign. That's why minus a square. Then minus plus minus b square minus minus plus 2ab. Then see, here is plus a square, here is minus a square. So we can cut it, or we can jot down the same variable terms. Okay, first we will jot down the same variable terms. Minus a square. Then here is plus b square. Here is minus b square. Plus 2ab. Here is plus 2ab. Then we can cut these terms because these terms are having opposite signs, plus and minus here. That's why. Then this will be added 4ab. Therefore, the required answer is 4ab. Okay, this is exercise 6b, 17 sum. First, numerical term we have to write 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 into minus 6. Next, here is x square. Power of x is 2 here. That means 2. In the second term, the power of x is 1 plus 1. In exponent, we learned that when multiplication will be there, this one formula. See? In exponent, we learned that this one formula, a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. By this formula, we will do this sum. Clear? Here, power of x is 1, so plus 1. Then next term is y. Here power of y is 1, here is 2, here is 1. Then z, next term. Here power is 1, next here also 1, here 2, power is 2. Then this 6 can be cut by this 3. 3 2s are 6. Negative sign will be here. Okay. Plus, plus, minus. So minus sign will be here. Then 4 2s are 8. by 3 into, I'm giving here dot instead of into, x raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1, that means 4. Y raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1, that means 4. Z to the power 4. This is the answer. Therefore, the product is minus 8 by 3, x to the power 4, y to the power 4, z to the power 4. Now I am discussing from exercise 6b, question number 21. Find the value of minus 8 u square v to the power 6 into, okay, I am writing the question, that is minus 8 u square v to the power 6 into minus 20 u into v. Here we have to find out the value by putting the values of u and v in the solution, in the product. Putting u equal to 2.5, v equal to 1. So let's first we'll see the product of it. Here is minus 8. First, same things, numerical term we have to write down together. Then this variable terms, u, here power is 2, here the power is 1, into v, here the power is 6 plus 1. Then minus minus, it will be plus, 8 to the 16, 160, 160 into u raised to the power 3, v raised to the power 7. Now we have to put the values of u and v. Product equal to 160 into u cube, that means 2.5 whole cube into 1 to the power 7. Okay, this 2.5 will make it in fractional form. This one. And 1 raised to the power 7 means 1. Then we can cut it here. We can cut it. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. That means 160 into 5 by 2 whole cube into 1. From next line, we will not write 1. Okay, 1 into this one means this one number. Then 5 cube means what? 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. And 2 cube means what? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Clear? After that, this will be cut. For 8 2s are 16. 0, 20. Then multiply it. 2500. 2500. At last he will write the answer. Okay, therefore the required answer is 2500. Okay, first we have to find out the product of it. This is 19, exercise 6b. Minus 8 by 21 into minus 7 by 16. Then x, power of x. Here is 2, here is 1. Then power of y, 3 plus 2. Then this minus minus, that will be plus. 8 2s are 16, and here 7 3s are 21. Then 1 by 6, 3 2s are 6. Then x raised to the power 3 into y raised to the power 5. Now we have to verify our answer. How to verify? This is LHS part. Carefully you will listen. This is LHS part, okay, and this is RHS part. What you will get as product, that is RHS part. Separately you have to put the values there. So first LHS. We will not write here x and y, directly we will put the values of x and y. 21 into x square. X value is 3 given there. Value of x is 3 given. So 3 square. Y value is given 2. That means 2 cube. Into minus 7 by 16 into x value is 3 given into y value 2 square. Then we can cut it. 3 7s are 21, and from here 1 3 will be cut. That means 1 3 is left. Then this will be minus 8 into 8 by 7. We will not multiply here. Into 3 into 2 cube means 8. Multiply. Here is minus sign. Minus 7 by 16. Multiply 3. Multiply 2 to the 4. So we can cut. Here is also multiplication sign. So we can cut. 7 and 7 can be cut. 8 to the 16. Then 2 to the 4. After that minus minus, there will be plus. 8 3s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 24 into 6. 144. Right? This we get from LHS. Then we have to find out RHS. RHS, here I am doing RHS. RHS part will be this product. 1 by 6 into x cube means 3 whole cube into 2 raised to the power 5. Y value is 2. Then by this one will be cut by 3. Sorry, by 3 this will be cut. 3 2s are 6. And there 3 square will be left. And this also will be cut. 2 to the power 4 will be left. Then we can calculate. 3 square means 9 into 24. Sorry, 24 not. Sorry. 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means what? 16. That means 144. So here we can say that LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Can you understand?